Hello, welcome to this video. I talk about this using computer and managing files and the folders. So let's start with the Windows screen. Windows screen is what we refer to as the desktop, and this desktop contains these two things: the icons and the taskbar. Now, the icon is an object that can represent a file, a folder, a program, or a drive. The main icons which we have that you can see on our desktops are like my documents, my computer, the network places, the cycle bin, the Internet Explorer. So this is shortly about the icons in our computer. Moving on, let's see this the taskbar. Taskbar is simply a bar that lies on the bottom of the desktop. So that menu that you see and at the bottom of the desktop is what we call the taskbar. It displays the first one is the start button, quick launch, running applications, and system tray. Uh, Running applications, you can see them easily. The application running to be displayed here on the taskbar, and there is a system tray that contains various shortcuts or icons of various applications. So as you can see in the diagram, shows there are few icons. There is a display of all running application. System tray is right there, and then start button also at the that bottom, and also there's quick launch for various example those browsers like Internet Explorer, uh, Chrome, and the Mozilla Firefox, or any of the others can be quickly launched from the taskbar. Moving on, let's see how working with mouse. The main just see items used when you're working with the mouse. So you should notice this when you're using the computer. The first one is pointing. Uh, Pointing means moving a mouse pointer over the object. So you can see after switching on the computer, there is a pointer. So that is the display of a mouse pointer. So it can be moved from one place to another. Clicking, this means pressing the left button mouse once. So if you're talking about the optical mouse, so clicking on the left button is what we call the clicking. This will select or highlight the object if you click it once. If you double click, that means quickly pressing the left button twice. This will open the object. So that's the other move of the working of the mouse, and the fourth one is the right click. When you're right clicking, this means that you're pressing the right button, especially the optical mouse once. So this will display a pop-up menu. And when you're trying to open a folder or a file, when you right click, there will be a pop-up menu that will display maybe open, shred, or scan, or move it to other places, or cut, paste, copy, and things like that. Dragging, this means that moving an object to another location using a mouse. So dragging can be done by a mouse. You select maybe a file, then you hold it onto it, then you drag it or moving from a place to another. Moving on, let's see the system properties. The system properties screen. The system properties screen, uh, you see this as when you right click on the computer icon to display only that pop-up menu. The pop-up menu, you should click on the properties command. When there's a properties command, then not a system properties dialog box will appear, and general tab will see the information about your computer, example, the type of operating system, the size of the RAM, type of processor, and the clock speed. Then if you finish with level observing, I can click OK. So that's how you can get the system properties screen. Moving on, let's see the files and the folders. Let's start with the file these folders or directories. What is a folder? First, you should know what is a folder. A folder is this is an electronic container that stores files. So how to create a folder on the desktop? These are just of the few of the procedures. The first one is that you might click on the black area of the desktop. If you right click it, then you see there's a like a link there. Click new. So if you can click there new, there will be various displays. Maybe you want to create maybe sort of PC document or whatever folder briefcase. So you click here on the folder, then the folder name you need to put it there, then you click enter. The folder will be created on your desktop. But so when you're trying to create folders in the other locations, simply open the location you wish to create that folder. For example, maybe try C, then right click on the blank area. That is specifically is where that folder will be placed. Then you select new, then back again to the folder. Then you type the name of your folder, then press enter. So that's how your folder will be created. Now, if the location is one of the drives set by opening my computer, then open the drive. So that's just how the easy way to access your drives. Example, simply just click on my computer, then open the drives. Moving on, let's see creating a folder. So folder is open a folder, a main folder, then I click on the blank area, then select new. Also click on the folder option, then you name and press enter. So that's how you get a folder. Not that some folder is just a folder that is stored in the other folder. So right for the folder that stores in the subfolders. So that's how it looks. Moving on. Let's see what are files. A file is simply a location of related information stored under one name. So you can create a file by simply using an application program. So a file, uh, a file is identified using three factors. Example, these are the file name, file location, and file extension. Now, a file extension consists of the three letters separated from the file name by a period. So you can notice that there is some short names like doc, that is a document file, and f, that is rich text format files, that's WordPad application, and the xls, that is Excel files. So that's how you can use the file extensions. Moving on, let's see how you can create these files. First, you open the program sheet, create a file, then you enter information example that, then you save the file. So that's just the create it. Open the example editing program, then you start on the click on the start button. Select the program that you want to, and select the accessories option. Then you have click on the program you want. Example, maybe you want to add your webpad and the others.